Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-37C, lubricate crank arm rod end number 2 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-37C, lubricate crank arm rod end 2 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. It's actually going to be two-parter to make this one part, two pieces to make this part. Open file, new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go front, sketch, let's do 2 circles. Yep, 2 circles. 1, 2. Our one's going to be 16. The other one's going to be 13. Yeah, 13. Then we're going to do a line from there down, straight down to there. There we go. And this point here, we'll find it right there. And this point will be horizontal. This line and this line will be tangent, as well as these two tangent. And that's going to be 10 mil. 10 mil. Then we go to trim. We trim U out, U and U, and that should be good. Yes, it is. Now back to dimension. This point, or this line, this point is 19, I believe. Yes, it is 19, and that's fully defined. Beautiful. So now our extrude, it's going to be thickness of 8. Done. Then we need to go this one, normal, sketch. It's going to be a hole of 6. Dimension 6 mil, and that's going to be this one, and this one was going to be linked horizontally, and that point and that point's going to be linked vertically, or 4 million. That should be 4 mil. Let's double check that. Thank you, 4 mil. Yep, perfect. And feature through cut, that's going to go in by 12 mil. Done. Oop, hold on. I think I've done something wrong. Let me just go back in there. That should be 6 mil. I didn't change that. So it looks all small there. That's better. I think it looks small. That's better. And that should not go through. No, it does not. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go. Be reference geometry, plane. That's at 10 mil. Beautiful. Now we go to hole with a drop down thread. It's going to be 6 mil, so it should be still 6 mil. It is. It's going to be that circle. It's going to be this plane. And I'm going to do up to selection. And done. Oops, sorry. Screw thread. Done. Hide that plane. Do it again. To sketch. It's done a couple times. Hide plane. Thank you. Okay, this sketch here, we're going to do sketch on this plane, this face. Do a rectangle. Go from point to point. We're going to do feature, extrude, It's going to be the other way. That should be out far enough. It is. Beautiful. There we go. That should be done. Well, actually, not quite done. We've got to add one more piece to this part. So, File, New, Part MMGS. So, it's going to be front plane, sketch. Going to be 2 circles. And before I forget, I was going to do one of the others. I'll come back to it in a minute. It's going to be 13 and 10. 13, 10. That's going to be extruded across by 8. Can be mid-plane. Does not matter, but I'm going to do mid-plane. 10. Sorry, 8, not 10. And okay. Right, let's just pop over the other piece. I need to change some on this. I need to add that in there. I think I'll do that. Got to do that with a couple others. No big deal. All right, let's go. File. New. Read the last command. Oh, nope. And okay. I did the wrong thing accidentally. Let's do this again. Extrude. Opposite. Oop. Cancel. 10. There we go. Put this across. Put that back on the material and save. Yeah, I accidentally, when I went file, I accidentally moved across and did undo. So we want new, assembly MMGS. Clip that one on so it's the right one, so it doesn't disappear on me. Ooh, I see a mistake. I see an issue. Just put that in there for the moment. Okay. Thread's going through. Okay, let's change this. Thread this one. Let's change this to blind. It went in what, 12, so 22. Did that change anything? Still there. Okay, no problems. Let's change that to 20. 21. There we go. There we go, that's fixed that problem. Perfect. Yes, the thread was going through there a bit. Which that is quite close to between the two. Okay, let's go back to this one. We got mate. Outer ring, inner ring. Face to face. Oh, what is... Never used to do that. Add for his mate. You used to add, but then you just had another option. Interesting. Never used to do that. Alright, that's a piece done. Let me zoom in. Zoom in more. There we go. And maybe a little bit more. Nope. A bit far. There we go. Alright, that's part 6-37C. Lubricator crank arm rod end number 2 done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So we're getting there. We're getting close. We've got a few more pieces and we start building the body. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment and subscribe. It does help me out. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on dreaming.